Hello everyone, welcome to English Short and Classes. Exercise 9. Get ready for the dictation. Start. It is further submitted that the decision of the executive committee in the facts of the case had not been challenged on any of the said grounds. Stop. The Land Council for the University further contends that the executive committee in its meeting held on 29th March 1989 deliberated upon the inquiry report and recorded its full agreement with the findings recorded therein, including the finding of guilt recorded by the inquiry officer, as is clear from the resolution of the Executive Council. Stop. Therefore, the obtaining the explanation of the petitioner to the show cause notice, it was not necessary to again record a finding of guilt against the petitioner in the resolution dated 17 May 1989. Stop. So far as the order of visitor is concerned, it is pointed out that in view of section 13 within bracket 6 of the Aligarh Muslim University Act 1920, the visitor has been conferred a discretion to interfere with the decision of the Executive Council. Stop. This power is not akin to a right of appeal. Stop. If the visitor, after due consideration of the petition filed by the petitioner, rejected the same, no error can be attributed to the order passed by the visitor if separate reason for rejecting the contention raised in the petition are not recorded, as the order is an order of affirmance. Stop. It is further submitted that the judgment relied upon by the Land Council for the petitioner in the case of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India (SAPRA) is clearly distinguishable, having regard to the provisions applicable in the facts of the said case. Stop. Such statutory provisions are not provided for in respect of disciplinary proceedings under the Aligarh Muslim Act. Stop. Lastly, it is contended that there being serious allegations involving moral turpitude by the girl students of the university against the petitioner who was working as reader in the university, petitioner is not entitled to any equitable relief under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop. In the opinion of the court, the proceedings initiated against the Guru on a complaint made by the girl student must necessarily be decided on the principles of natural justice and fair play without adding much weightage to technicalities of procedure. Stop. The court has to be satisfied that the teacher has been afforded an opportunity to controvert the allegations and his explanation along with evidence has been considered, and that there has been application of mind by the disciplinary authority before taking the final decision. Stop. So far as the powers of visitor are concerned, section 13 within bracket 6 of the Aligarh Muslim University Act confers a discretionary powers upon the visitor to interfere with the decision of the Executive Council and specific grounds as have been mentioned in the section itself stop. Further, the decision of the visitor being in affirmation of the decision taken by the Executive Council does not require any further reasons to be recorded, while rejected the appeal filed by the petitioner stop. In these circumstances, the first contention that the order of the Executive Council being not supported by reasons in writing is unsustainable in the eyes of law and therefore rejected stop.